Well, hello friends and followers and amateur radio aficionados. So, I'm still working on this TR4 here to convert it to 6146B tubes, and there's the old tube set there. I did get these sockets in here yesterday and they're all pretty much wired up now. So we have the RF coming out of here and it's hitting all the tubes. I think that's pin 5 there. I put some heat shrink on here to make it nice and stable. And I guess I'm just going to use the screen resistors that were in here. They're like, what is this thing? Blue, brown, 5, 7, I forget what this, 67 or something ohms. Use those as they sit. I should probably make these 100, but oh well, we'll hit it with some screen. I have all the bypasses in here. Here's the 12 volts coming in for the heaters. Those get wired to all the tubes. And the other side of the filaments does not go to ground. The other side is all wired up, so one side gets 12 volts, the other side is wired all in parallel, and that goes here to this wire, which goes into a tube bank here, which will ground these 3 tubes through about 4 or 5 tubes in here. That's how Drake wired it. So I couldn't use any 8032 12-volt tubes in here. I had to revert to 6146Bs and buy even more tubes to put 6146s in here because I need 6-volt filaments to balance out the filaments in here. That's how Drake made it, so I have no choice in that regard. So anyway, yep, this is 12 volts filament. This one here is for the bias, so minus 90 or whatever's coming in through here, goes through a choke, and it goes on to the RF injection from the 12BY7, which is on pin 5 here. I'm not sure why they have 2 wires coming in here for that, but that's how it is on this TR4. This one is for the screen voltage. They had it split up into 3 different resistors feeding the screens on the 6 JP6s. I just left the resistors in there and I extended the wires. And that leaves the cathode return. Well, here's the cathode return right here. It doesn't go anywhere yet. I gotta get some 10 ohm resistors, or no, 10 ohms. Gonna get some 10 ohms, extend them off the cathode here. There's 3 wires to use on a 6146, so as per the article that the guy has for the conversion, I'll just have 3 10 ohms here and connect them all to a bus. And that should finish it. Then I'm probably ready to power this thing up and see if it works. I don't have a power supply. I had recruiters bothering me today for jobs, and I forgot to bid on a power supply that I wanted, so I missed out on a very nice power supply. Oh, because the recruiters asking me too many questions. And I'll probably never get an interview anyway. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.